Okay, so now we're going to learn something called the outline stitch, and the outline stitch is used to hold one piece of fabric on top of another. So if you were decorating something, you'd use this stitch. We're going to do it in our needle book, so we're going to go to the middle page, which is felt, and we're going to fold it up like that, and we're going to do our outline stitch across there. But I'm going to do it on this because it's easier to see. So once again, we anchor our stitch, and I'm going to do it by coming in from the back. So my needle is in between the two layers, and then I'm going to anchor that stitch. Remember how we do that? We go down, oops, and we come back up again. Okay, the outline stitch is really like the running stitch, only instead of doing it in one row, you do it in 2 rows and you alternate. So if you do a stitch on the blue, the next stitch is going to be on, in this case, the purple. That's the sample. So watch how I do it. I take a running stitch on the purple, and then I take a running stitch on the blue, and I take a running stitch on the purple, and I take a running stitch on the blue. You just go back and forth. Now the difference between the running stitch and this stitch is, look where I'm putting the needle in. I'm going right across from where I ended. So this one, the thread came out there. I'm putting it in sort of in the same place. If you go forward, then it's fine, but your stitch will be slanted. See that? And these ones are straighter. That's because I'm going in sort of right across from where I came out. So you can see that this is held down quite firmly. The running stitch, which I don't know where, oh, here it is. Here's the running stitch, and the edge is not held down. So it's sort of floppy and it can get worn, it's dirty more easily. This, it's down. It's much more firmly attached. So this is an excellent stitch for attaching one shape on top of another. You try it.